All right, so today we have a new set of Roybi trimmer line replacement. Now this packet actually gives you 2 spool cap covers, a little plastic piece, and then you also get 9 of the 11-foot trimmer lines. So that's why it's an 11 pack. You can kind of see it under there. Nothing really around the box, just company info on the back, as well as which cordless trimmers it's compatible with. So open it up and take a look real quick. So your 2 caps, so in case your cap is broken or something like that, these caps you'd be able to replace. And then you get 9 of these 11-foot trimmer lines. Perfect for your Roybi trimmer, but you're able to get a lot more of these compared to the name brand where you only get about 3 of these. So let's go put one of these on the weed eater. All right, so as always, we just press our buttons on the side to pop off our cap. And since we don't have anything in there, you're just able to pull out a little bit of string, feed it through, and then this just kind of will sit down and lock into place.
Yeah, it's in.
Oh, okay.
They don't make a click or anything.
And then you just slide your cap on, which we're actually going to use the new cap. There we go. Now our string trimmer has been replaced and we're ready to cut some grass. As a reminder, the company did not send these to me. We bought these ourselves to use with our string trimmer. That'll do it for this one. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.